Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a clean girl makeup tutorial for you guys, and it's on this look right here. This is a perfect summer makeup look, you guys. It is really nice and glowy and glossy and luminous. I really had fun creating this look for you guys, and I did use some new products in my makeup collection. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to achieve this makeup look, and if you're interested in knowing what products I used today for this makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright, so I already went ahead in and I moisturized my face. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. I used my CeraVe moisturizer that I absolutely love. So now I'm going to go ahead in and I want to add some glow to the face. So I'll be using the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Celestial. And then I'm just going to go in with my fingers and blend this all out. Alright, so I know I look a little ridiculous, but trust the process, you guys. So alternatively, if you don't want to apply this product all over the face, you can mix it in with your foundation. Just a few drops when you go in with your foundation on your hand or on a palette, and then mix it together, and then you can apply that on your face. But I personally like doing it this way because it's fun, and also because I feel like I get a nice even layer of the product. So yeah, this is just the way that I like to do it. So what I'm going to do next is go in and color correct my face, and I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Peach Lustre Color Correcting Stick. And honestly, a little goes a long way with this product. Recently I've noticed that my hyperpigmentation has gone down a lot, so I haven't been using as much of this product. So make sure you're being aware of how much product you really need, because if you overdo it, then you'll look a little orange and you don't want that. So now I'm just going to go ahead in and blend this all out. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead in with foundation, and I'll be going in with one of my favorite foundations that I honestly forgot about and recently rediscovered in my makeup collection, and that is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and this is the dewy version. So I had a phase back in 2020 and like 2021, I was obsessed with the matte version of this foundation, and then at one point they released the dewy version, and I loved this as well. And I love this for summer when you're trying to get that glowy, dewy makeup look. This is great. So I really want to go ahead in with this today. You can see that beautiful glow under the foundation, and I'm obsessed with that. And the foundation also being dewy is just a great combination with the kind of enhancing drops that I applied on my face first. So I'm gonna get that beautiful glowy summer makeup look that I'm trying to achieve. Then I tell you guys to trust the process. Look how beautiful my foundation looks. I haven't even completed my makeup. I basically just have my base done, and it looks so amazing. There is beautiful full coverage, but there's also a nice dewy luminous finish, and that is thanks to the foundation and also the enhancing drops that I applied prior to putting on my foundation. I love this combo, you guys. It's so beautiful for summer. So now I'm going to move on, and I want to do my eyes. I'm going to go ahead in and prime them. To prime, I'm just going in with some concealer. I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I'm just going to set my lids in place with the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. So for eyeshadow, I want to go in with a new palette that I recently got in my makeup collection, and that is the Doin Beauty Bakerie eyeshadow palette. So I did do a full review of this palette as well as a super glam makeup look. So if you guys haven't checked out that video, make sure to check it out. I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. So today I wanted to jump into this palette again, but do something a lot more simpler, something good for for every day and something that kind of falls in the category of clean girl makeup. I know that's something that's really trending, so that's something I'm trying to achieve in this look today as well. Something that's super dewy and glossy and luminous, but also kind of achieves that clean girl vibe. So I want to jump into this palette and I want to grab the shade Cocktails, and I just want to dust this color onto my crease. I'm also going to smoke it out a little bit on the outer portion of the lid. Next, I'm taking the shade Sour, and I'm taking this on a flat brush, and I'm basically going to apply this on the inner portion of the lid. And going back in with Cocktails, I'm just going to blend the outer corners out again and also dust out the crease. So I'm going to go ahead in and conceal my face, and I'm going back in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to conceal my face. And you know that's why I fuck with you. And I'm just going to use my concealer to clean up the edge of the eyeshadow just like that, to get that clean cut cat eye finish. And to set everything in place, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm actually going to take the remainder of the powder and just kind of drag it down onto my face, because I'm going to go in with powder contour and powder blush and highlight. So I want to make sure that my foundation is nice and set on my cheeks, or else it's going to go on patchy. So I like to just kind of move this powder downwards, and that way I'm not also wasting any product. So all the fallout I'm kind of just taking and using it on the remainder of my face, just like that. So I want to go ahead in and add some eyeliner, and I want to do a really subtle wing, and to do so I'm going in with the Tattoo Liner by KVD Vegan Beauty. Alright you guys, so that is the wing liner that I wanted to achieve. It's basically like a really subtle wing, and the point of the liner is just to add a little bit of definition to the eyes. I was trying to keep the natural shape of my eyes, but just kind of do a subtle lift and a subtle wing just to add a little bit of dimension. So that's pretty much what I wanted to do. And next I want to go in with some mascara, and for mascara I'm using the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for eyes. I kept the lower lash line clean because I've been loving that lately. I feel like it helps my eyes look bigger and more open. And now I'm going to go ahead in and do my brows. I'm just going to fill them in with the Benefit Give Me Brow, and I'm in the shade 4. Alright, so brows are all done. Now I'm going to go ahead in with some lip plumping gloss, and I want to just keep this on the lips while I go in and contour and highlight and add some blush to the face. And by the time I'm done doing all that, my lips are going to be nice and plump and hydrated and ready for lip products. So to contour, I'm going in with the Nars Laguna bronzer. You guys know I have a mini of this, and it's pretty much done. That just goes to show how much I love this bronzer. I really need to go ahead and buy the actual full-size product. I got this sample from Sephora, I don't even remember when, but I haven't stopped using it since, and I've hit the pan quite hard. So I'm gonna go ahead in with this. I'm going to take this bronzer on a eyeshadow brush. This is the Morphe M433, and I'm just using it to do a subtle nose contour. And it's always good to dust kind of the area where the nose and the brows meet, just so the contour looks nice and natural. And just taking a little bit of setting powder, I'm cleaning up the contour. For blush, I'm going in with a blush that I absolutely loved back in the day but completely forgot about and recently rediscovered. That is the BECCA Cosmetics Snapdragon blush. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. It's like a gorgeous pink, peachy blush. It's perfect for summer. I absolutely love it. It kind of gives me Kylie Jenner vibes. You guys know her classic rosy cheeks that she always does. I feel like that color is really similar to that shade. So yeah, I'm obsessed. I've been using it like crazy recently. I also used it in the glam makeup tutorial that I recently did using the Sour Ya Doin eyeshadow palette. So make sure you guys check out the tutorial as well. So just going in with a clean brush that has maybe a little bit of setting powder residue on it. I'm just going to dust the blush where I applied the blush on the face just to really soften it out and make sure it's not so harsh. I'm going to go ahead and clean up the cheeks a little bit. Next, I want to go ahead in and highlight, and for highlight, I'm actually going in with a new palette in my makeup collection, and that is the Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. So this is a beautiful highlight palette, you guys. There's so many gorgeous shades in here. So I'm thinking I want to go in with the shade Gleaming, which is this one right here. Gleaming's got a bit of a pink undertone in it, so I think it'll pair nicely with the blush that I have on the face right now. So I just have it on my brush and I'm going to blend it into the cheeks. That is so beautiful. Wow. Just gonna go ahead and wipe away the gloss, and then I'm gonna add highlight on my nose and also my Cupid's bow. You guys can see my lips are nice and plump and red, and they are a lot bigger and ready for lip products. I absolutely love the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumping Gloss. Definitely give it a shot. Alright, so the very last thing I have to do is my lips to wrap up the makeup look. So I'm going to go ahead in with some lip liner, and I'm using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF2. And for lipstick, I'm actually going in with a gloss, and that is the bareMinerals Gen Nude Lip Gloss in the shade Dahling. And the very last thing I want to do actually is set my face in place, and I'll be using this new setting spray that I recently got in my makeup collection. I got this in a BoxyCharm package, and it is by the brand Illamasqua. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So this is a Hydra setting spray, so I think it's pretty on brand for the finish that I'm trying to go for, a really luminous, glowy, glossy look. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on top of my makeup just to tie everything together. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this look, and let me know if you have any suggestions on makeup tutorials that you would like to see from me, or any type of video that you would like to see from me. Leave a comment down below and I'll definitely try and follow up on those. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And of course, all of the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!